Legal here in Hawaii for 14 years, so why do medical marijuana users here say they're still being treated like criminals?
A state task force just released a report outlining the snags, the pitfalls, and the gray areas that have users demanding change. KITV4's Laura Yamada joins us with what some say should have happened years ago. Laura?
Well, Kenny, in 2000, state lawmakers passed a law allowing the use of medical marijuana. Doctors have prescribed it for arthritis, cancer, multiple sclerosis, even seizures. But patients say to this day, taking it is a major risk.
We've got to change the way we look at this.
Terry Heedy has had multiple sclerosis for more than 20 years. She's one of 13,000 registered medical marijuana users in Hawaii and sharing what that experience has been like.
We're criminalized because of the way the law is written. I have to commit a crime the minute I get my blue card if I want to get my medicine.
The Hawaii Medical Marijuana Dispensary Task Force has released a report verifying her claims, flatly saying the law does not provide these individuals with a legal method of obtaining marijuana. The task force recommends the state create a dispensary system statewide, in part to overcome the federal legalities in transporting medical marijuana.
They never get to the bud stage.
Heedy grows some of her supply at a risk ripe with potential missteps. State law prohibits buying or supplying seeds or selling pot with no guidelines on how to legally cultivate it, resulting in no place where a registered patient can legally purchase marijuana.
We really want to ensure safe access to our medical marijuana patients, as well as ensure and balance the needs of safety, security, and law enforcement.
The task force will outline its findings tomorrow. Heedy criticizing the report for that, but not providing solutions.
And we've definitely got many more segments of the community at the table that weren't there before.
The Medical Cannabis Coalition of Hawaii says putting it before voters would have made a bigger difference, but believes this is a positive step.
Hopefully there will be an upshot to that we can move forward with a really deliberate, reasonable policy instead of rushing into something.
They've really got to work hard to make sure that they are patient advocates. They really do.
Now, one shift in recent years, the health department now handles medical marijuana instead of public safety. In the near future, federal legislation may provide some relief, such as removing therapeutic hemp as a controlled substance and legalizing the less concentrated cannabis oil. All still maybes out there. For more information on briefings coming up, including tomorrow's, just head to the As Seen On section of KITV.com. Back to you.
All right, Laura, thank you very much.